Hello, and welcome back to the Cultivating Mindful Awareness series. It's wonderful to have you here. This is day 3 of our 5-day meditation practice. Yesterday's practice showed us how the breath can be a resource for calm and focus. Today, we'll cultivate mindful awareness further with a traditional body scan meditation, exploring body sensations with equanimity and recognizing their impermanent nature. Instead of focusing on your thoughts, everyday distractions, or anxieties, you'll be systematically guiding your attention to various body sensations. Beginning at the crown of the head and moving down the front of the body to the toes, then up the back of the body from the toes to the crown of the head. This practice fosters a calmer, more mindful connection to our inner world, and studies show it can reduce mental reactivity to physical pain, allowing us to observe sensations with a sense of curiosity rather than an automatic reaction. So in this moment, let's practice together. Please sit well, with an upright spine and a relaxed torso. You can also lie down if needed, while staying gently alert. Settle into this space, hearing the sounds and feeling your whole body. Set an intention to be fully present and to do this practice wholeheartedly to the best of our abilities. Try to shift your focus away from distractions, thoughts, and to-do lists. Give yourself permission to let go, returning to this present moment. Feel free to take a few deep, mindful breaths to release any tension you may be holding. Breathe in as deeply as you can, and as you breathe out, feel your whole body relax. A few more rounds like this. Relax your shoulders. Soften your face, the eyes, your forehead. Separate the lower row of teeth from the upper row so that the jaw is unclenched. Now let's gently transition to observing the natural breath. Bring your concentrated attention to the sensations of breathing. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly. Notice the coolness of the inhale as you breathe in through the nose, and the warmth of the exhale as you breathe out. Feel and follow a few breath cycles, cultivating a stable, clear and calm attention to take with us during the body scan. With each breath, feel yourself settling more deeply into this moment. If during the body scan a pleasant sensation arises, you may feel tempted to hold on to it. that happens, see if you can soften your grip, allowing the pleasant feeling to be there without wanting it to last forever. If an unpleasant sensation arises, notice any urge to resist it, to push it away. See if you can meet the unpleasantness with kindness and curiosity as you observe the sensations and their qualities. Lastly, try not to dismiss the neutral sensations, such as your muscles relaxing, your heartbeat, resting eyelids, even the quiet hum in your palm, all hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. It's not about analyzing, judging, or contextualizing these pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral sensations that you encounter, but simply noticing them with a sense of curiosity, acceptance, and kindness. Many things will compete for your attention, like thoughts and other body sensations. Try your best to keep your concentrated attention on the area that I guide you through in the body scan. Now bring your attention to the crown of your head. Notice any sensations there, possibly tingling, coolness, vibrations, or even the absence of sensations. Using your mind's eye, slowly move down the front of your face, feeling your forehead, exploring your eyes, nose, your cheeks, and the ears. Rest your attention on your mouth, the gentle curve of your lips, encountering pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral sensations, whether they're obvious or subtle, with equanimity. Now notice your tongue, teeth. Feel your jaw. Trace the path down the front of the neck to the collarbones. Let your attention move down both arms, beginning with your upper arms, observing any sensations as you travel down to your inner elbows. Then continue down the forearms to the wrists. Rest your attention in both palms. Become sensitive. Notice any subtle energy pulsing through. Don't worry if your attention wanders away to something else. Gently guide it back to feeling the palms of your hands. This is a very forgiving practice. You can always begin again. Now feel both thumbs to the tips of the thumbnails. Scan the index fingers to the fingertips. Continue in the same way with the middle fingers, ring fingers, and the pinky fingers. Now gently guide your attention to the backs of the hands. Then up your forearms to your outer elbows, and then up the backs of the upper arms. Resting your attention on your collarbones again. Now sweep your attention down the front of the torso from the collarbones to the chest, noticing sensations and movement in this area, obvious or subtle, pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. Creating the space to observe, and then be able to choose an appropriate response. Continue down, feeling the rib cage. The abdomen. Then down to your lower abdomen. Bring your attention to your pelvic area and the front of your hips. Just like with the arms, let's move down both legs, starting with the front of the thighs, gently moving down to the knees. Remember to observe all sensations or the absence of them with equanimity. From your knees, sweep your attention down the front of your shins to the ankles. And then feel the tops of the feet to the toes. Now feel the soles of your feet, from your toes to your heels. Scan the backs of the ankles to the calves. Feel behind the knees, up to the backs of the thighs. Scan the glutes to the back of the pelvis. Now bring your attention to the base of your spine. Gently sweep your attention up to your lower back. Instead of letting a sensation control you, create the space to observe it with gentle curiosity. Continue moving your attention up to your middle back. Feel your upper back and shoulder blades. Moving your attention to the back of the neck. And then up to the back of the head. And arrive at the crown of your head where we began. Now take a moment to feel the quiet hum of your entire body. Feel really good about meditating with me today. For showing up, making an effort, and dedicating this time to yourself and your practice. As you move through your day, continue to observe body sensations with equanimity and non-reactivity, creating the space to observe, and then be able to choose an appropriate response. I look forward to seeing you on day 4, where we'll explore the noting method, one of my personal favorites. For ad-free meditations and bonus content, including day 6 of this series, which is a walking meditation, join me on Patreon under Motto Yoga. The link is below. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Wishing you a wonderfully mindful day.